Hey guys, I'm back again here with another video. I'm gonna be working on my HP ProCurve PoE switch today. It has some very noisy fans I'm gonna replace. I'm gonna try to replace anyway. I picked up a couple of these Noctua fans. I'm gonna see if I can make them work with this particular switch. Here's the actual model right there. Let's focus in. There we go. And I'll show you here what it sounds like when it turns on. So yeah, let's get started. Technically now we should be able to see here. Let me just see if we can plug it in and just see what happens. So this guy is going this way, okay. What the hell? Let's see what happens. Yes, if we actually plugged it in for power. Okay, take two. The only thing now, it's flashing that the fan is not working, which I'm guessing since neither one of them is plugged in, but so much quieter. Okay. So let's try this. Let me try both of the fans.
same time. So far, it looks like it's just gonna be a plug and play situation. So let me plug in this guy here. Alrighty, take two. Okay, it's booting up. Fans are working perfectly fine. Yeah, so that's what we'll do. We'll just put these guys on, and what my concern was when we put these fans on, I've read some reviews online that the fans will stop spinning after a while because of the voltage difference. But this one seems to be working fine. So what we'll do now is unplug everything and then put the other fans on, or these fans on the actual bracket, and that's pretty much it. We'll button everything up and plug it in and see what it does. All right, I'll do this one as a time lapse though. No, I don't like that. Let's move it a bit further. There we go. No obstruction, no obstruction. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on again. I'll give you guys two different perspectives of the camera. So let me go ahead and pull up this one. Alrighty, so different perspectives. So it's turning on. So this is the only thing that's flashing right now. I think because these other fans have a special sensor built into them, it's not reporting that they're working. But clearly if we look at it over here, you can actually hear them. And I do feel air coming out. So it's a night and day difference between them. I'll see if I can log into the console and tell it not to read those faults. But other than that, I think we are good to go here. I'll just button everything up and that is it. Alrighty, so now what we'll do is try it with the lid on and see how loud it is now. Okay, here's just another view again. Huge difference in noise reduction. And that's why these guys are still the kings when it comes to being silent. Like I said, I'll take a look at that. See if I can get that fixed, because you can see it tries to. And then it stops again. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link for these particular fans that I'm using. And hope you guys found this video helpful. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.